What makes his life so special? What do we learn from his life? When we reflect on his life, when we read some of his literature, his autobiography, it reflects total dedication. The methods he gave us, meditation and cleaning, they're unique ones. Though the world talks about meditation, most methods, I would say, almost all methods, they fall short of creating a state of meditation. Meditative state misses out. You may have the satisfaction of meditating for hours together, days together, months together, and you pride on how long you could sit, how long you could fast, how long you could remain in seclusion. But here, with just few minutes of meditation with Sahaj Bark, we are able to go into a special meditative states which are indescribable. And this is his gift to the world.